Good afternoon. Now let us have a small discussion on the two different problems of pressure measurement. One problem is measurement of pressure in a pipeline PA, and the other problem is determination of the absolute pressures at inlet and outlet of the turbine. So let us see first the problem of manometer. Now a manometer is connected to this first problem, and this manometer is using the mercury as a medium, and the height of this manometer is given as 562 mm. So given data is ZA is equal to 562 mm of Hg, and the atmospheric PATM, the atmospheric column is 761 mm of Hg. Now the acceleration due to gravity for this problem is given as 9.76 meters per second square. Now to find pressure PA. Now this pressure, absolute pressure solution, absolute pressure PA is equal to rho 13.6 into 10 cube multiplied by, here we have two different heights. One is 762 mm of Hg and another one is 562 mm of Hg into 0.761 meters plus 0.562 meters multiplied by 9.76. So if you do this calculation, you will get the absolute pressure PA as 1.77 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. This is one problem which I would like to discuss and have discussed the problem. The second problem is on a turbine. This turbine, the PI is given as 1.4 megapascals. Now the P outlet is given as a vacuum of 710 mm of Hg. 710 mm of Hg. Now we have to determine the absolute pressure at inlet and absolute pressure at outlet. Now the atmospheric pressure ATM is equal to 772 mm of Hg. 772 mm of Hg. So PATM is equal to 13.6 into 10 cube. This is in kg per meter cube multiplied by 9.81 meters per second square multiplied by 7.772. This comes to a value of this 700 meters. This comes to a value of 1.03 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton per meter square. So the absolute inlet is equal to 1.03 plus 1.4, that is, 10 to the power of 5. So this is 1.503 megapascal. This is the absolute inlet pressure that is coming into the turbine. Now this turbine expanding this higher pressure to a low level value, and the absolute pressure at outlet is equal to 13.6 into 10 cube multiplied by 9.81. This time it's saying vacuum, and 772 is the atmospheric pressure. So this into 7.772 minus the vacuum is 0.710. So if you solve this, this comes to as 8.27 into 10 cube Newton per meter square. So this is the answer. And for the earlier problem, this is the answer. So this is what I would like to discuss about a problem on pressure measurement. Thank you very much for watching the video.